Today we talk about how can you change your name on your Champions League app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on account settings, you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to profile details. Here can you change your name and your first name here. So then you go down, you will find here save, click on it, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all to change your name. I wish you I get it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.